Okay, this is Liberty stock number 51554. It's a Haas Super Mini Mill 2, serial number 1094902. Fourth axis ready, rigid tapping, high-speed machining. Okay, Rod, it's up to you now.
Yeah, we got three sides here we can show.
Okay.
The extrude home's in the way, the other one. Yeah, we're up, we're powered up, so take a look around and run a program here. We've got a little drill tap program in there.
Okay.
Came with it, so. Brackets. Got leveling pads down here. My three-phase coming in, temp in. Panel, I think this is open. Here we go. Five servos, spindle drive. And we're tapped in on low voltage down there. Oh, got some tooling down there with this too, so I think that's already online. Good?
Yeah.
All right. The other side, I want to just show this briefly.
Are we showing the
the air package is all. You can see a little bit through there in the lubrication system. I don't know if I think the key's hanging in front
It's okay,
somewhere. Yeah,
I'm
not going to open that up. And of course your pump system down below. And chip guard below the chip chute.
right?
Yeah, there you go.
Okay.
Got all that.
All right, I'm gonna walk around this way.
Yeah, you got the box. Got the last of it in front of the extrude home here. Got the probe, mister, shipping brackets, docks, all that good stuff.
All right, looks excellent.
And yeah, I won't get all that.
Yeah,
I won't do a lot manually. There is a program in here. We can just run the program. If I go into manual, I guess we can do a little bit. Oh, runs pretty good. I think X. I forget X manual. Yeah, X. I forget. I'm just going to run the program and not play around too much in manual. Maybe we could do one more. Do a tool change here, reverse. Let's see if we can do this. Reverse. And MDI. Now let me try the program now. Get something to go here. Memory, cycle start.
Yeah,
that
good.
works. Now we're indexing. Yeah.
All right, let's just do the program.
Yeah, just I wasn't playing around much in manual. Little drill tap cycle. We drill here. 3 holes, I think, and then it goes back and gets one more tool, then a tap. And we're at a little mill cutter. Not mill cutter, I'm sorry, drill. Deep hole drilling, look at this. It's pecking. And this is at 1,000 RPM. I'm low on the RPM. I'm going to put it up to 100%. Yeah, 2,000. We're running at 2,000. And 140% on feed because we're cutting nothing. Here's the last of the 3 holes, and we go and tap it. That big tap out of here. Getting close, you can see that reverse.
Oh, the spindle reverse.
Oh, you're not, yeah, you. That's it. We can run it again. So
I got it.
That's called rigid tapping, but I'm not sure. You want to run that again throughout?
Yeah, just
That
once.
was at 50%. I could try 100% rapid. Let's see how fast it goes there, and leave the feed rate up at 150, and hit cycle start again. See how we're indexing around. You can see that on that.
Yeah, I can see it.
Just 3 holes, it looks like. Huh? spread those holes out for cycle time. You think you put the tools next to each other. Oh well, what do I know? Interesting pecking program here, huh? It's longer and longer. Now move in for the tap. I want to see it. You might get to
Yeah,
see
you
it
can
on
see
video,
reverse.
can you? Yeah. That's pretty fast. Yeah, smooth too. Yeah, there's that. Then we got your regular screens. Yeah, we're in program, position.
Can you take the spindle RPM up and down?
Run the spindle.
Yeah.
I suppose I can try that. Let me see. What's it at right now? Is that 10,000?
Oh, that was 10,000?
Yeah, it might be. Let me start lower. Let me go at 50%. Should just take off an MDI. Yep. There's I had it at 10.
Yeah. Oh, that was-
There's 4. Let me see. It's for 10,000. We can take it all the way up. Not a problem. And we'll go up one more, up to 5.
yeah.
6, we're moving. Oh wait, let me back off here. I'm at 70. Oh yeah, 70. Okay, I'm doing it right. 70. That's 7,000. 888. Yeah. 90%. And here's 10.
great.
I think that's it. I can overclock it, but no, it won't take an overclock. That's it. 10. And we can do a stop start, I suppose, and. And do one more time. I think I have to be in manual for this now. I'm not sure. No? MDI. Back to MDI then. Let me try it again. Start. No. Have to hit it. Cycle start. 10,000 straight up.
That's great.
It runs.
Okay.
It runs nice, yeah.
That's a nice machine.
Kind of struggled our way through that.
No,
I should say I
you did
struggled.
great. You did great. All righty.